Your Honor, to be
No,
to
no,
make
no,
sure.
you don't think because alam mo yun. And that happened 7 years ago. O, Colonel,
Yes, Your Honor.
please name names. Or else today, some members might be obliged to cite you in contempt for refusal to answer relevant questions. That is letter C of our rules in contempt.
The rank, Your Honor, I cannot memorize.
No, I
the
don't
rank.
need the rank now, but I can get it surely. Names muna. What are those names?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino nga? Please, name names.
Congressman Carab, baka maalala niya pag binanggit ko isa-isa. Pwede ko mapagitin isa-isa, no ha? Okay.
Hindi, ganito, no, coming from him. Colonel, paki-cooperate because you're not answering my query and refusal to answer relevant questions in this committee is in violation of our rules and the members can cite you in contempt in violation of the letter C of our rules in contempt. Oh, please name the names.
Your Honor, hindi po actually binitbit. May order po yun galing ng Krami. Your
Correct! Of course, I know. Hindi naman pwede yun eh. Just like what happened with General Mariano and Cobradilla. Nabitbit nila yung tao nila. Then the rest is history. Ngayon natanggal sa serbisyo. Ngayon tinatanong ko sa iyo, it's either retired, awol, summary dismissal, ang case ng mga taong yon. Who are those names?
Honor.
Hindi pwede, Colonel. We are not born yesterday.
Congressman Carab would like to say.
Thank you, Chairman. This is just in relation to the query made by Chairman Dan. Colonel Patay, I mentioned a while ago that before you were assigned in Station 6, you were then assigned in Davao.
Please pardon, sir.
Your assignment before Station 6 was in Davao.
Davao del Norte in
Davao del
particular.
Norte. Specifically, where? And
Tagum
what is-
City.
Davao?
Davao
City.
del Norte, Your Honor.
Davao del Norte. And what is yung Provincial Police Office?
Different stations and offices in the
No,
provincial.
before Station 6.
Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Tagum City. You're the Chief of Police of Tagum City.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before as Chief of Police of Tagum City, anong assignment po?
Chief of Investigation Division Section, Investigation Section, Your Honor, of the, the province of Davao del Norte.
Nang Davao.
Davao del Norte. in
Davao del
particular.
Norte. Is Tagum City component city under the provincial command? When you were the Chief of Police that time of Tagum City, are you under the Provincial Police Office or in the regional office?
Sakop po ng probinsya, sir, is not a component city.
Sakop ng
Probinsya
probinsya.
ng Davao del Norte, sir.
Sino yung provincial director mo that time?
During my time, Police Senior Superintendent Gadingan, Your Honor.
Is he active?
Retired already, Your Honor.
Retired. So, matagal ka pala sa Davao. Mga ilang taon ka doon?
Almost of my career, I was assigned in Davao del Norte, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mindanaoan ka?
Visayas, Your Honor.
Visayas, where from Visayas?
Siquijor, Your Honor.
Siquijor. Okay. Cebuano speaking.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi po, ang tanong kanina sa iyo is yung sa Station 6 and allegedly, by the Reuters, mga may isang daan po ang namatay daw during your stint as the Chief of Station 6, no? Station 6. That time, anong rank mo? Major?
Superintendent, Your Honor.
Superintendent. Light Colonel na?
Lieutenant Colonel, Your Honor.
Ngayon, full Colonel na?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, kasi it's a serious accusation, Mr. Chairman, against Colonel Patay. Kasi galing sa Davao, then he was assigned July lang in Station 6, Quezon City, and that was the time also that the former president sits as the incumbent president. That was in July also. And ang record, ako, in my own personal knowledge, marami po yung mga inassign kaagad kung saan-saan. Kaya, Colonel, ganito lang po. We don't have conclusions, no, but please cooperate with this committee. Especially if some names, no, yung mga pangalan ay lalabas, nabitbit mo. I'm not accusing you, I'm just telling you na please cooperate because if names ay lumabas, and some of them will confirm that indeed they were assigned here in Metro Manila or particularly in Quezon City with you. Ito pa pala. during stint from Davao del Norte, may bit-bit kang tao? Kasi usually may bit-bit tayo niyan, di ba? Mga bata-bata. Meron ka ba?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Who are those names? Who are those?
Some already retired, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking the names. I'm not asking if they're active or not. Who are those names? Ilan po sila?
I think, Your Honor, to
No,
make sure.
you don't think because alam mo yun. And that happened 7 years ago. O, Colonel,
Yes, Your Honor.
please name names. Or else today, some members might be obliged to cite you in contempt for refusal to answer relevant questions. That is letter C of our rules in contempt.
The rank, Your Honor, I cannot
No,
memorize
I
the
don't
rank.
need the rank now, but I can get it surely. Names muna. What are those names?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino nga? Please, name names.
Congressman Carab, baka maalala niya pag binanggit ko isa-isa. Pwede ko mapagkitin isa-isa, no ha?
Okay, ganito. No, coming from him. Colonel, paki-cooperate because you're not answering my query and refusal to answer relevant questions in this committee is in violation of our rules and the members can cite you in contempt in violation of the letter C of our rules in contempt. Oh, please name the names.
Your Honor, hindi po actually binitbit. May order po yun galing ng Krami. Your
Correct! Of course, I know. Hindi naman pwede yun eh. Just like what happened with General Mariano and Cobradilla. Nabitbit nila yung tao nila. Then the rest is history. Ngayon natanggal sa serbisyo. Ngayon tinatanong ko sa iyo, it's either retired, awol, summary dismissal, ang case ng mga taong yon. Who are those names?
Honor.
Hindi pwede, Colonel. We are not born yesterday that you will not remember all those names or those persons that you brought from Mindanao going here. Oh, pumili ka lang or else may quorum pa ba tayo? You will be cited in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor. Ralph Piñero,
Oh, Ralph Piñero. Sino
Dinis
pa po?
Pal,
Sino? Please.
Dinis Pal,
Dinis Pal.
Owen Molinos,
Owen Molinos.
Richard Timon.
Oh. May listahan si chairman pala eh. Kung kulang mamaya, di sabihin ni chairman. Kung kulang. Sino pa po? Isang team yan, di ba?
Emmanuel Ibit, Your Honor.
Emmanuel Ibet.
Retired already.
Yeah. Yun pa.
That's all I can remember, Your Honor.
From now, for now, that's all you can remember. Mr. Chairman, since the names was mentioned by Colonel Patay, may we ask the PNP to check the service records of all those mentioned names? The rank, previous assignment, and if active in service, present assignment. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, all those, if ever there are names that was mentioned, was dismissed, the circumstances of the dismissal, kung retirement po, pakilagay na lang po rin yung retirement, submit po ASAP before the next hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I still
Yes,
have one last question.
Interjection
I still have
doon. Mr. Chair.
the floor.
Interjection lang po
They
dun
just
sa
borrowed my
invite.
Interjection lang daw
Invites.
siya kung saan.
Yes. Siguro, Mr. Chair, dahil hindi naman maalala ni Colonel Patay, no, yung lahat, baka pwede rin itong, aside from yung status nito from the PNP, baka pwede rin po natin itong pa-invite. Kasi doon sa nabasa natin sa routers, no, katulad nito, si Charles Owen Molino, siya yung nagsabi ng special skills to kill, di ba? Nandoon sa, si Charles Owen Molinos, si Michael Maderable, Ronnie Bangat, please take note po, paano natin to sa PNP, June Ralph Piñero, Emmanuel Ibit, Renante Solomon, Dennis Pal, at saka itong Richard Timon. Ito yung may pinakamaraming operations na na-involve ng ang patayan. So, hindi niya po nabanggit, Mr. Chair. Kaya,
Are you
pwede
making
po
a
natin
motion to
patawag.
invite them in this committee?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, I move to invite those who I mentioned to this as the next committee hearing, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion. Is there any objection? Hearing none, same is approved. Okay, go ahead, Congressman Fernandez, if you still have one question to ask.
Mr. Chair.
Wala pa. So, Congressman Busita, while
you.
Congressman Fernandez is thinking of what question is going to ask, I'd like to
Thank you, Mr.
recognize you
Chair.
now.
Colonel Patay, less than a year ka nag-station chief sa Station 6 QCPD. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
During your assignment in Station 6 QCPD, ilan yung target accomplishment ninyo on anti-illegal drugs?
Actually, we don't have target, Your Honor. It depends on the information that will be coming in to our office.
Okay, kung wala kayong target accomplishment, more or less, ilan ang accomplishment ninyo weekly?
I cannot give the exact numbers, Your Honor, because it's been a long time ago.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Wala kayong quota?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. And you're not pressured to produce?
Not pressured, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Oo.
I'm sorry, may nalimutan lang po ako.
Sige po.
If I may. Colonel Patay, during your assignment in Station 6, nabigyan ka ba ng award? Best Officer or Best Station Chief?
I have awards, Your Honor, but I cannot give the exact award that was given to me.
Okay. Sa palagay mo, mga ilang beses kang nabigyan ng award?
I cannot count. I cannot give the exact numbers, Your Honor.
So yung award na ito, lahat related sa anti-illegal drugs operations, right?
Not all, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang mapag-submit natin ang director ng QCPD dun po sa awards na na-receive ni Colonel Patay during his assignment in Station 6? Mr. Chair?
Are you making a motion on that? There's a motion here. No objection? Here, none. Okay, Mr. Approve.
Ito, last na po, Mr. Chair.
Oo.
Colonel Patay,
Bagay yan, bagay yan. Bagay. Ang tanong ko lang, in relation to question, were you assigned as the Batasan Station Commander and you were directed to go and arrest those drugs pushers, whatever it might be? May assignment ka bang ganun?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead, Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, last na po to, Mr. Chair, at I will give way to Congresswoman Franz Castro. Meron kasi nabanggit dito, Colonel Patay, na binanggit mo. Ang sabi mo rito, we are very angry about people involved in drugs. Patay told Reuters, raising his voice and spitting out the words for emphasis. We want to crush them. That's our indoctrination. Ang tanong ko, merong indoctrination na nangyayari during that time?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So you deny these words?
Yes, Your Honor.
Reuters, kayo ba, kapag nag-interview kayo, nire-record nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a record of this?
I don't have because
No, I
I was
mean
not
the,
the one who interviewed Colonel
Yes,
Patay.
I know. But those people who have interviewed Colonel Patay use a recording device or ano? Can you kindly ask them if
Yes,
they have
Your
the
Honor.
recording equipment that was involved during the interview? Can you ask them?
I will try, Your Honor.
Okay, because
I
Colonel
have,
Patay, if you are lying under oath in this committee, we will be compelled talaga to cite you in contempt. So if that interview that was done with you during that time involved a recording device or cell phone or whatever, malalaman mo yun, di ba? So was there a device to record all your interviews?
I could not remember the
Okay.
exact interview, Your Honor.
But you are telling us that
There
yung
was
mga
an
nakasulat dito ay walang katotohanan.
Hindi ko po matandaan po, Your Honor.
Kanina sabi mo walang katotohanan
You
eh.
deny it.
Tapos ngayon sinasabi mo ano. Colonel, we have to remind you, ayan na naman tayo. We want to protect the organization, but of course, kapag may mga nakikita kami nagsisinungaling, pasensya na po kayo, but we have to reform the organization.
There is an interjection of
Colonel,
Congressman
be
Karat.
truthful. Kung sinabi mo yun, during that time, you were so eager to cleanse the Chairman. Di ba? Kung talagang nasa puso mo, nalilinisin yung ginagawa, it's your right. But of course, under the rule of law, dapat tama. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya-
There may be emphasis, Your
Pero
Honor.
dito, dapat hindi ka babago-bago ng mga statement mo. Kasi nahuhuli tayo sa ganyan eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we are counting on the words that you have manifested in this hearing. And so with you, Manuel Mugato, we are Mr. Chair, I move that we we subpoenaed the article or the recording device that was used by the routers on that interview that was done with Colonel Patay.
There's
I
a
so move.
motion, hearing, any objection, hearing none,
Chair-
is approved.
Chairman,
Congressman Karap, do you have any interjection?
No, Mr. Chairman, I will not oppose the motion made by the good chairman of the Public Order and Safety. But yung question of subpoena, sinasabi na nga ni Mr. Mugato na wala siyang hawak ngayon yan. Kahit yung Reuters, mayroon ba? Kaya yun yung problema. Now, Mr. Chairman, to be fair, at ako, sinasabi ko lagi, to ask pa Colonel Patay, sino bang pumalit sa'yo doon? Kasi nagpatayo pa ako ng gym dyan eh. Ako nagpasilitate ng gym. Diyan ngayon na nakatayo. Because I've been supporting the police. Pero sigurado ako hindi sa time mo. Baka yung pumalit sa'yo. But Mr. Chairman, just to be fair to everyone, at saka doon sa mga resource persons, the burden of proof for Colonel Patay to confirm or will be pitted with regard to that accusation is Mr. Mugato, not Colonel Patay. He has to produce the document. Or else, hearsay yan. Diba? Hindi pwede dito na, of course, sabihin mo si Colonel Patay, ganitong sinabi niya, blah, 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 but where's your proof? Diba? Yeah, it's the burden of proof is with, Manuel Mugato, Mr. Chairman, not with Colonel Patay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
That's why, Mr. Mugato, are not referring to subpoena you, but we are asking Roter to provide because Roter has a record of it. Can you do that, Mr. Mugato?
Your Honor, maybe the committee can write Reuters about this.
Okay, we're going to write a letter. We'd like to find out if what you're saying is true and that Colonel Patay here is actually denying the truthfulness of your account. So once again, I'd like to ask Colonel Patay, are you denying it or you do not know?
Cannot remember.
I cannot,
Cannot remember. Are you denying it now? Because a moment ago you were denying that you said it. Now you cannot remember. So what is true here?
Your Honor, I cannot exactly remember the words that I uttered, Your Honor.
So therefore you were actually rejecting your first statement that you're denying that you said it.
Yes, Your Honor, the accuracy of the statement, Your Honor.
Because look, I will not hesitate to make a motion to contempt you. I will not hesitate to arrest you here and be one of the congressmen in this Congress. Oh, I'm not going to hesitate to arrest you and put you in ang tawag doon?
Custody.
In custody in this house. Because look, nakakalito ka na kanina, dinay mo yon. Tinanong ka ni Congressman Fernandez. Ngayon, you said you do not even know. So what are you doing to us here? See, I'd like you to remember, Colonel Patay, that we have been elected by the people to investigate. You know, this might not be a court. See? Because we're doing it in a legislation, yet we have the authority to investigate. And because of that, we have the authority to arrest and put you in contempt. So what are you saying now?
Your Honor, I cannot remember the exact words, Your Honor. The
Mr. Chairman, since the Colonel Patay is trying to change his manifestation a while ago, let it be a reminder to him that in the next query of any member of this committee, be precise on your answer. If you don't really know yet the answer, be sure that you will tell us that you are not yet sure sa mga sagot mo. Para hindi naman po kami magkaroon ng feeling that we are being fooled dito sa hearing. And I think, Mr. Chairman, let's give him another chance, no? Since nag-manifest naman po siya na hindi na niya matandaan. Actually, meron pa akong tanong dito pero I don't want to ask you anymore. I just wanted to subpoena first yung mga dokumento na galing talaga sa routers. Kung meron talaga kayong ni-record, para at least we can verify the answer of Colonel Patay.
So, Mr. Mugato, what is your answer to the query of Congressman Fernandez?
I'm not in a position to ask for the record. Maybe the committee can directly write to Reuters.
We're going to write a letter to Reuters and we'll hand it to you to give to them, okay? Because look, marami ka nang sinabi dito nung first hearing pa .
Okay.
O, ang hirap niyan, nakikinig kami sa'yo, at wala kami makitang proof na sinasabi mo. O baka ikaw ay isa sa mga marites dyan. Okay? Pwede ba? Para naman na maniwala ang taong bayan at totoo sinasabi mo.
Yes, Your Honor, because I'm basing my testimony
Mr.
based on the
Bugato,
Reuters report.
Kawawa naman tong si Colonel Patay, if you're accusing him of more than 100 people under his watch that have been killed because of the war on drugs, then you don't even have a record of it. Kawawa po naman to na pinagbibintangan natin na wala kayong proof. So nais namin makuha yung ebidensyang yan. So we're going to write a letter, Comsec, about that, okay? Now I'd like to recognize Congresswoman Castro for her interpellation.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Tanong ko ulit si Colonel Patay. So, na-promote po ba kayo, Colonel, after po nung stay ninyo sa Batasan as station commander?
Wala po, agad, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo na-promote?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo na...
Diyan, I was promoted
Nasaan na kayo ngayon?
sa Pro 11 po, Your Honor.
Sa?
Pro 11. Davao po, Your Honor.
Bumalik ka sa Davao.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, during that time, during the drug on war on drugs, dinala kayo dito sa Station 6. Sino ang nag-assign sa inyo sa Station 6 ng Batasan?
Camp Crame po, Your Honor.
Camp Crame. So,
Yes,
sino
sir.
po yung nakapirma doon sa pagpunta ninyo sa Batasan? Sino po ang nakapirma at nag-assign sa inyo?
It was issued by the Director